Cleaning the oven is easily the worst part of cooking, but some ovens come with handy little features to make it a whole lot easier, like Pyrolytic self-cleaning on selected Bosch electric ovens. With an oven that practically cleans itself, it's going to save you a whole load of time and effort. All you need to do is take everything out of the oven, including the shelves and the side racks, and then give the door a clean. Then all you need to do is set the Pyrolytic self-cleaning function on the oven and then choose one of 3 cleaning cycles, which will be dependent on how grubby the oven is. So you get a gentle clean, a medium or an intensive clean. Now, even though the oven will heat up to 480 degrees, you can have peace of mind that the oven door will lock itself during the entire program and the external door will stay at a safe temperature. Now, this heat will reduce any food debris, burnt on food or grease to a fine dust. Then afterwards, you can easily just wipe it away with a damp cloth. It's good to go again afterwards.